This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, now enable Play Points so your purchases count. Open Google Play, tap your profile, then Play Points and accept terms. This lets you earn points on eligible purchases and subscriptions. Why it matters. Points convert to discounts and rewards. Next, add or confirm a payment method and enable earning activity for your main account. Once done, make a small purchase or install a promoted app to trigger point accrual and confirm your balance in the Play Points tab. Now you'll map points to real value. Open the rewards catalog and compare conversions and benefits. Learn how many points equal $1 or specific in-app items. That's the how. Once you find a reward, redeem directly, tap the reward, confirm redemption, and it's applied to your account or purchase. Make sure to monitor tier status because higher tiers earn bonus points. If you want best value, prioritize time-limited offers and items with higher percentage savings over small credit. Finish by verifying your new balance and that the redeemed reward applied to the intended purchase. This prevents surprises. If points aren't credited or a redemption fails, first recheck you're using the same Google account and that the item was eligible for Play Points. Reasons often include region limits or promo restrictions. If problems persist, gather the transaction ID, screenshots, and timestamps, then contact Google Play support. That helps them resolve it faster. Meanwhile, avoid making duplicate purchases until the issue is cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.